Hey, here we go. We're doing special right triangles now. I'm just going to go through some examples for you to help you with the homework. We've already done this year, so this should be review. So 45, 45, 90 triangle. We can label the sides with n, and n root 2. For 30, 60, 90, my trick to you is the side between the 90 and the 30 degrees always has the root 3, n root 3. The longest side, the hypotenuse, is 2n, and then our remaining side is n. So every time on your triangles on the homework, I should see the n's on everybody's problems. Okay, let's go through this first example. Can I zoom in on this thing? Oh, would you look at that? Okay. First thing, step 1, label n. n root 2 for my 45 degrees. Then what you want to do is you want to set equal the side you have. I have the 6. So then I take that and I say n equals 6 because they're on the same thing. Easy, I already have n now. It's straight plug in from there. So x would equal n, which is 6. Y would equal n root 3. Well, n was 6, and then this would be 6 root 2. Cha-ching, easy as that for that one. Similar example here for my 30, 60, 90. The side between the 30 and the 90 is n root 3. My longest side is 2n. And then across from here, or between the 60, that would be n. Again, focus on the side you have. I have the 4 sides, so I'm setting these two things equal. So I say 2n equals 4, divide by 2, n equals 2. Once you get n, it's just straight plug in from there. X equals n, which is 2. Y equals n root 3. Well, n was 2, so this would become 2 root 3. Cha-ching. All right, we're going to get a little bit more challenging, but nothing you can't handle. Again, step 1 is to label the sides with n's. 30, 60, 90. This would be n root 3, 2n, and n. Again, set the side equal that you have. I have the 2, so I'm setting these two things equal. So, off to the side here, n root 3 would equal 2. This involves a little bit more challenging kind of work here. You divide by root 3, boom, and then you rationalize. Rationalizing is getting rid of the denominator and the denominator by multiplying top and bottom by it. So then I would have n equals 2 root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is just 3. That's the hard part, is getting n. Now it's straight plug in. So x would equal whatever n is. Well, this was n. Y would equal 2 times n. So it would be 2 times this. So you do 2 times 2, 4. You cannot multiply inside the radical as an algebra review idea. All over 3. Bing. Cha-ching. All right, I want to do one more hard one so you guys have it down. Again, step 1, label with n's. This is 45, 45, 90. Looks like that. We set the side equal that we have. I have the 3. So I'm saying n root 2 must equal 3. Whoops, off the screen. And then we solve. Divide by root 2. Divide by root 2. And then I rationalize. Woo. These cancel and multiply top and bottom by root 2. So then here I end up with n equals 3 root 2 over 2. Again, that's the hard part, finding n. Now it's straight plug in. X equals n, so x would equal what we just found as n, and y equals n, which again we just found. So again, the hardest part is finding n. All right, good luck on the homework. I'm here to help via Zoom.